I got a wonderful opportunity from Ginija ma'am. We went, we three of us, Anita ma'am, Anita Manohari ma'am, and me and our friend Shweta. We went to Kerala, Vishu, to our summer camp. She gave a wonderful opportunity for us to attend some camp and share our activities with their children. And this is a happy and special opportunity and moment for us to realize what is multilingual.